Properties of multiplication. Multiplying by 1. When we multiply a number by 1, the product will be the number itself. Example: 1265 times 1 equals 1265. Multiplying by 0. When we multiply a number by 0, the product will always be 0. Example: 5413 times 0 equals 0. Ordering property. When we change the order of two numbers in which they are multiplied, the product does not change. Example: 1235 times 7 equals 7 times 1235 equals 8645. Grouping property. When we change the groupings of the numbers to be multiplied, the product does not change. Example: 5 times open parenthesis 7 times 8 close parenthesis equals 5 times 56 equals 280. Open parenthesis 5 times 7 close parenthesis times 8 equals 35 times 8 equals 200. 87 times open parenthesis 5 times 8 close parenthesis equals 7 times 40 equals 280. Thus, 5 times open parenthesis 7 times 8 close parenthesis equals open parenthesis 5 times 7 close parenthesis times 8 equals 7 times open parenthesis 5 times 8 close parenthesis. Distributive property. The product of a number with the sum of two numbers is equal to the sum of the product of that number with the two numbers individually. Example: 25 times open parenthesis 7 plus 5 close parenthesis equals 25 times 12 equals 300. 25 times open parenthesis 7 plus 5 close parenthesis equals 25 times 7 plus 25 times 5 equals 175 plus 125 equals 300. Thus, 25 times open parenthesis 7 plus 5 close parenthesis equals open parenthesis 25 times 7 close parenthesis plus 25 times 5. Remember, the ordering property is also known as the commutative property. The grouping property is also known as the associative property.